Hey guys, so today it's Thursday. I just got ready to go out with Ryan and a few of our friends. We're going to Panera for dinner, and then we're going to see that movie Max with the German Shepherd. Ryan's kind of obsessed with German Shepherds and the military, so it's kind of like his perfect movie, and our other two friends really wanted to see it. And then I think two of Ryan's friends, his friend and his girlfriend, may or may not be meeting us as well, so that should be fun. So I'm waiting for him to get here right now, and then we're gonna head out. We are on our way to Panera now. Wanna say hi? We're at Panera now. Ryan! You're lame. You guys are all so lame. You're lame. No one likes the fact that I vlog. We're at Panera, and then we're gonna go see a movie.
Yeah, this is really exciting.
We are going to get some froyo. He's at the movie now.
Yay! It's medium.
You got a medium.
Can we take the group picture when we sit?
Yeah, for sure. We're in the movie theater, and they have awkward seating. But Caleb was just doing it.
That's fine.
There's only 5 seats, and there's 6 of us. Struggle.
Oh,
That's really bright.
We just got out of the movie. What'd everybody think? What'd you think? What'd you guys think?
good.
I like turtles.
Okay.
I concur.
We're getting Ryan a puppy.
Right now, we are at the Live World getting ready, but we're very tired and napping. Yeah, it's really fun. Nobody here.
You can lose a toe, a finger, or an eye.
You don't lose toes and fireworks, eyes and fingers.
Alright, you're done. Oh my gosh. Who did that almost hit on the foot? Oh my gosh! Hey! Dennis, don't kill Ryan! Dennis!
Okay, could I have the combination? That's it.
So I just got to Ingrid's, and I feel really bad because I just had this big barbecue dinner, and they have like no food here. So they just got Chinese, and I'm going to drive them to go pick it up. Okay, what's your fortune? Yeah.
It's amazing how much good you can do if you don't care who gets the credit.
Ingrid.
A dose of adversity is often as evil as a dose of medicine. Diversity or adversity?
4th of July. I never said that that's what today was. That's why I had all that food and why there were those terrible fireworks in the clip from last night. So that's what today is. And I just got finished eating and I went to Ingrid's, and tonight I'm going to see real fireworks with Ryan and his family. So that's what I'm going to do next. So we just left the fireworks and they weren't really that good this year, so that was kind of a bummer. I don't know why. It seems like they're getting cheaper and cheaper every year. And we can see like across the river they had way better ones. So next year we might go over there instead. But at least we saw fireworks, so that makes it kind of 4th of July, I guess. It's better than nothing. And now we are going home and trying to beat the traffic. I'm gonna end my vlog off here because it's starting to get late and the 4th of July is coming to an end. Plus I think I got eaten by like 100 bugs sitting in the grass on a blanket. So I hope everybody had a super awesome 4th of July and thanks for watching!